Quick heads up, hit the link in the description to get access to the Christmas bundle deal right now and start earning big this holiday. Here's the deal. The Christmas bundle is a special holiday offer that packages multiple premium digital tools, from lead generation to AI content creation and marketing automation, into one powerful, affordable bundle. Instead of paying full price for each tool, you get them all together at an insanely discounted rate. It's a fantastic value for your audience because they get essential tools they need to grow their online businesses. And you get solid affiliate commissions on every sale made through your unique link. This offer is perfect for beginners and experienced marketers alike, and the holiday season makes it even more irresistible. So go ahead and grab your affiliate link from the description and start promoting the Christmas bundle today. Click the link below. Don't miss this holiday deal with huge value and great earning potential. Get the Christmas bundle now.